Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. Today I want to talk about the snipping tool. Now I've used many applications, I'm not going to name names, but this one you can see the snipping tool. This is the old version. It works well. It basically takes a screenshot of obviously whatever you've snipped. There's no major things on it that you can do, like call outs or etc. But what I did notice in the new one is, if you see a snip and sketch, it's actually quite handy. If you click new and capture, you also obviously can't do much like the previous one, but it seems to be on a better interface, if you want to call it. Your highlighter, it's actually nice, different color. That's strike through if you want to do that. Drawing tools, etc., erasers. This actually works quite neatly. Obviously, going to still be improving this and maybe adding more to it, because it looks like it's in a preview kind of stage, when they're in a transition. So maybe in the future fastering builds we'll see the new Snip and Sketch, and maybe they'll add a few more things like call outs and blocks that you can put around it, etc. But it's handy if you don't have or can't afford the other applications. This is definitely easy to take a picture of something and send it to somebody. If you want to then take a picture, save it, and then edit it in something else, obviously you can also do that. But I just thought it would be nice to fiddle around with this. I did notice that when I was playing with it earlier, that every time I did something, it kept on hanging the OS completely. Like I couldn't do anything for about 5 minutes, and it would come back, and then I would try and draw something on the page again, and then it would hang again. So definitely, I think still needs some work. It could just be my machine, but it's happened on both machines, so I reckon it's something in the build. But there you have it. It's plain and simple. You can also time this one, which is nice. Sometimes you want to grab a screenshot in a couple of seconds, but then it's too late because you either miscaptured or you've captured too late, kind of. But anyway, this is still a work in progress, so keep your eyes out. I'm sure there'll be more enhancements on this, and thank you very much for watching.